Tired of inconsistent quality and delayed orders in tractor import? Welcome to Cropilots, where we promise timely communication and delivery of high-quality, dependable tractors right when you need them. Our factory spreads over an extensive 30,000 square meters, bustling with over 85 skilled workers. Housing sophisticated machining centers and state-of-the-art assembly lines, we manufacture and ship more than 10,000 tractors each year. Your time is valuable, and we respect it. When you reach out to Cropilots, expect a prompt and comprehensive response. Our dedicated team is trained to provide quick, clear, and concise replies to your inquiries, effectively addressing your concerns and providing the information you need to make the best decisions for your business. Our assembly line, manned by experienced technicians, perfectly combines the elements of a tractor with precision. This virtual tour lets you witness the magic unfold. The process starts with the meticulous assembly of the engine, which is paired with a robust steel frame to form the tractor's powerhouse. Next, high-performance tires are securely mounted, ready for any terrain. The assembly line then oversees the installation of hydraulic systems and controls, ensuring functionality and ease of use. Lastly, the tractor's body is fitted, providing a distinct, sturdy look. A final inspection is done, ensuring the tractor is ready for action. Join us in this video tour to see what sets Cropilots tractors apart. We don't compromise on quality. Every tractor undergoes exhaustive testing, hydraulic pressure checks, engine performance evaluations, and structural stress analyses, ensuring each unit aligns with our top-notch quality standards. We pack each unit for rigorous overseas transportation and handle all logistics and documentation for global shipping. With us, your delivery arrives smoothly, right to your doorstep. Our product range covers 25 HP to 260 HP tractors, and we provide customized solutions for specific tire types or horsepower requirements. Our skilled engineers are here to meet your unique market demands. Our commitment extends beyond sales. We provide an end-to-end solution that includes round-the-clock post-sales support for maintenance, spare parts, and technical queries. Choosing Cropilots means choosing reliability, responsiveness, quality, and growth. We are more than a supplier. We are a partner committed to supporting your business's success. Ready to experience the Cropilots advantage? Contact us today. Get a quote, clarify doubts, or learn more about our operations. The journey to your business growth starts here with Cropilots. We have more of what you are looking for. But if you have to choose just one supplier, this would be us.